Can you make it up?
Ooh, I don't know. Okay.
Okay, so we've been debating on what plant to do this week, and we also wanted to go on a run, and so we decided to combine the two.
We're going for a run and gonna have a little trail salad
Trail
at the
salad.
top of the mountain.
At the top of the mountain. So this is also date day, where we've got Kato, our oldest, watching the two sleeping kiddos. So we've got like a window of like an hour.
Hour, 2 hours.
And he can call us if need be. And we're like, I can actually see our house from here. So we're gonna run up to the top. We brought some blue cheese dressing.
Yeah.
And we're gonna figure out, hopefully there's some plants that are growing that we can make a salad out of and have a salad up top.
Yeah.
How many miles up top is it?
About almost 2.
2 miles, but it's like
But
this.
a whole mile
Like
of it
that.
is straight uphill, so.
Yeah. All right.
We're all falling and we need a place to hide. A safe place somewhere in the woods we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay till the break of dawn.
Okay. Plant number 1, hemlock, new growth tips. So we're gonna grab some of these for on our salad. You really are just looking for the new growth like that. That's about perfect. Okay, another quick one that we just found. Oh, actually right over here is an even better spot. Look, you can kind of see it. So this is sorrel, and this is in the Rumex family as well. And so these leaves are really good. The whole plant's edible, actually. And this is another one. So it's the ones that are in the dock family. So it's like dock and this are the Rumexes. And so we'll get some of these leaves as well. And they have that nice lemony flavor. Yeah, they're really good. You want to try one? They're really tender and delish. Oh, I wanted to film. It's good, right?
Yeah, they taste like oxalis.
Yeah. Whew. Okay, so our old friend Claytonia sibirica. Get out of here. The miner's lettuce, this one right here. So I like it better when it's not in flower, but they'll still be good, especially if we're just picking these leaves. It'll be a very nice kind of way to bulk up the salad. A very mild flavor, if any flavor at all. So we'll just add these in there. And then also in the same exact spot, we've got lots and lots of oxalis. And so that's a great one as well. And it's like all over the place. So we're gonna grab some Claytonia and some oxalis from this little stop here. Tara's lost in the woods. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these salmonberry shoots as she attempts to be found. Tara? Just picking these salmonberry shoots, the new growth. And then this bush, I was just noticing the elk really must love these too because they are all chomped off. And this is an area that elk frequent. Pretty cool.
I gotta peel it.
That's a monster.
Yeah.
That one's gonna be good. Oh gosh.
And subscribe to our channel.
Please.
Subscribe, hit the bell. We do this every Sunday. Our videos come out, so we really appreciate it. And Paul does cartwheels.
Okay, right here, under here, lots and lots of violets. Now, all violets are edible. I prefer to, when they're a little bit darker green than this is like in direct sunlight, but they're still good. So we're gonna pick some of these. It's the cool thing about eating wild foods is you're just getting like, it's packed full of good nutrition, and it's organic and it's local and it's free. Okay, I was super stoked to find one of my very favorite edibles.
I don't know if you can see it. I might be in the way.
Here.
Yeah, there.
This one is called pineapple weed, and it tastes very much.
Hold on. What do you think it tastes like? Pineapple?
Okay. You got the rest. Chow down on. This is gonna be such a good addition. I'm stoked.
Throw it in the old potteroo. Woo. What do you think? Is that about even? Here we go. There. I kind of want this big one. This big piece. Okay.
Sarah, tell us about what kind of what kind of dressing we have for today's meal.
So we eat blue cheese dressing on everything. It's homemade. It's a 1/4 cup of mayo, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and then you put some garlic and salt and pepper and blue cheese, and it's delicious. Oh, and I put some onion powder in it.
Why do you have it in a test tube?
Because it's very easy to bring around, and it's plastic, it won't break. This is great. Just a little splandering.
Splammering, get it right.
That's good. Do you want me to put some on yours?
Yeah,
Tell me when to stop.
that's probably good right there.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Maybe a little over here. See, perfect.
It's just the daddy long legs.
It's good.
Is it really good?
Better than any salad you're gonna get from the store. Ooh, it's got a lemony aftertaste, that's for sure. Ooh. How is it?
That's tasty. No complaints out of me. I just want to encourage people to go do this. Like, it's not hard to do. There's so many more plants that are edible than we're even touching base on. And there's like wild food that's just growing all around us all the time. It's free, it's organic, it's like in your backyard. It's an awesome way to feed yourselves and your family. And it like doesn't contribute to like this machine of agriculture that we're basing our existence on. And the reality is like, it's just not sustainable. This is. People have been eating this way for a really long time, and it's just fun, and it's healthy, and it tastes good, and it's easy to do. Like, there's this idea that like, it's so hard to, like, everyone I talk to, why don't you forage? Oh, I'm scared I'll eat the wrong plant, I'm gonna die. Do you have to be careful? Yeah. Are you gonna die? No. Not if you have like a few simple things and you don't just like randomly eat stuff. There's a few plants in this area that can kill you. A few. We should do an episode on what can actually kill you.
Yeah.
But the reality is like, it's not dangerous. Like, be smart about it, know what you're eating, and there's like literally food everywhere. This took us, what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
To gather up a salad, maybe, at that, so, and it's really good. Anyways,
And get the kids out.
Get the kids out, have a date day with your wife.
Yeah.
Like, run up a hill and make a salad. It's like, you don't have to bring anything with you. For hunting season that'll be coming up, like, I'm super stoked just because that's like less to carry with you. Like, there's just a bazillion reasons why it's awesome. And the reality is like, my belief, is that God intended us to grow food and also to utilize what He provides.
Amen.
Amen.
Oh, God.
Mine too. All right, thumbs up, thumbs down.
It's so good.
I got salad in my teeth, so I don't want to talk.
I say,
It was super good.
yeah.
So I will say, Hemlock tips with blue cheese has potential for like an amazing dish. So we need to do some more experimentation with that. But it was bomber. I wish I had more.
Me too. Good.
Cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind. Can't you see? We need some time.